Hey guys, Shedbird 1000 here. Today we're going to make a quick and easy birdhouse out of a Folgers coffee can. Stick with me, it should be fun. Okay guys, so I've been wanting to do this. I'm going to take this old Folgers can here. I'm going to make a little birdhouse out of it. This is a 24.2 ounce. It's 1 pound, 0.82 ounces. This is a pound and a half coffee can thing here. You can use smaller ones, bigger ones, whatever. We use this thing to trace me a hole in this so I can get them a hole to go in. Then we're going to paint it. This is going to be their perch because I think I used all my wooden dowels that I have for the perches, so we're just going to use this for the perch. So let's go ahead and kind of put that right. See, that's kind of like, that's right in the center. So I'm just going to kind of eyeball it here, so we can cut a hole out. For some reason my pen don't want to write on that. Alright, well, it'll write on the table but it won't write on this, so let me go get a marker. Okay, I got my Sharpie here. That should write on it, hopefully. I'm just going to eyeball this. I could probably make the hole bigger, but the problem with that is the squirrels around here. If you make the holes much bigger, you'll have a bunch of squirrels living in your birdhouse. Probably should have, next one like this I make, I'll just I'll use my hole saw, but I feel like digging it out just to do this. So we're using a knife. Take your time, you know. And it'll look okay. This is kind of screwed up, but it'll be fine for a birdhouse. It doesn't have to be code. And I think I need to change my blade in this too. But anyway, I've got this all washed out. We'll put this right dead center of that. Where I'm going to put the perch. The perch is going to be like that. Okay. But I'm going to go ahead and let's see. Should I paint it yet? I've got some gold paint. I must not have brought it out. I'm just going to paint it gold because that's all I've got other than primer. And if I'd like to have a different color for it, but I've got gold paint and I'll paint it gold. I think I'm just going to leave the perch black, so I guess it doesn't matter. I'd like to use a wooden perch. They just look so much better, a dowel. I probably should have drilled that out with my keyhole saw, but I didn't. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take this over here and I'm going to spray this and we're going to let it dry, and then we'll put the handle back in it. Okay, so the paint has dried. There's a couple little runs in it. That spray paint really lays it on thick. But we're going to go ahead. We're going to glue this on here. Yeah, see the paint where it got real thick. It's not clear dry, but so we're going to put that on there like that. Now to hang it, we're going to put a couple little holes back here and maybe glue something back here to hang it with. And then, let's see, because you don't want to hang it from this, because if it gets too heavy, this may come off. You know what we can do though? Hang on a second, I got an idea. So what we're going to do, we're going to screw this in here. Okay. We're going to glue this in. Just using hot glue. Like that. Glue it on the other side too, so it doesn't come out. Put a little bit down there on that, on the inside of that. So that way that doesn't come out. Then we're just going to glue the lid on. I mean, think about it, birdhouses, you never have to take the top off, right? So this will hold it, unless a squirrel gets in it. May come off with a squirrel, but okay. Now alright. Come on. May have to put a little more paint around there. It's a little light, but and I'm just going to keep working that around there. It's pretty much on. You can't really feel it snap with all that paint and glue, but okay. Now we're just going to go around the edge here. And I'm almost out of glue. Well, I'm not out. I got more glue sticks in there. And it's hot if you get it on you, so be careful. Shut up. Old lady riding a bicycle. He's growling. You settle. Now I'm going to let that sit like that so the glue can run down, and then yeah, that's pretty hot. Once that dries, we'll show you what we came up with. Okay guys, so there's our birdhouse. I had to move the hook. I put a little glue there to cover the hole up, but I had to move the hook forward because this is so heavy. But you get the idea. Do it however you want it. Decorate it, whatever. You can partition this off if you want it on the inside and have a 4 birdhouse. Yeah, so there you go. That's pretty cool. So there you go, guys. Just quick, easy thing you can do with your kids. You know, they can decorate it however they want, whatever. So there you go. It's fun. You're reusing, recycling. Go green, right? Alright, Shea Bear, the myth, the man, legend. I'm gone for now. Bye-bye, guys. Take care.